let's talk how we can do training. So, for example, one client, he took 1 week alpha man training. We did, in California. During that week, he on third day met his dream girl. And he wanted to stop training, but we said, like, you need to concentrate on a lot of girls, like expand your options. Don't be attached to one girl. You can approach any girl you want, and you remove that feeling of being attached. So we did that. So after 1 week, he increased his confidence dramatically. Like he said, I did more in 1 week with you, alpha man training, than in 1 year. Why this is happening? Because we provide really high quality knowledge and, of course, of energy. And energy comes from our amazing mindset. That's why we really recommend you to read our book, How to Become an Alpha Man. It is my personal life story and my mindset. So, for example, another client now is from Dublin, Ireland, and he's flying to do alpha man training for 3 days. For 3 days, and we will work. Alpha man training coach will pick up him from airport. We will drive to office, and we will explain systems, and then we will go to approach girls. We will also talk about how to maintain alpha male, how to be an alpha male in long-term relationship, how to work on approach anxiety, how to approach women using direct approaches, what to say if she says something negative, how to persist, how to deal with that, and other things we will talk. For example, another one client, he said, I wanna meet 2 times a week, and work for 2 hours, or work for 2 or 3 hours. But we refused to do that. But it's good, he suggested us to do something, because you can suggest, because you are in your own skin, in your own body, and just you can understand the best how you feel, and what you would like to change, what you would like to do in your being in your body. So you can suggest for us. You can write info to info@alphamantraining.com and do that. Another one client of us, for example, he's doing now, he bought a boot camp, and he's doing also Skype consultations. We talk with him 1 time a week, and after that, what is happening? After that, he feels real well. He's very, very, very happy. His energy increases, and he achieves more. So he earns that money, what he invests into alpha man training. He earns because he gets energy, he gets new knowledge, and he uses that knowledge for seducing women. Then he gets high confidence. He using that high confidence for creating business, for lifestyle. So whereas we have that product systems, you go and you start with how to become an alpha man. You read that book because you need to learn alpha male mindset. Then you need to learn basics of AMT. Is AMT basic techniques. You go and watch Pickup Online training videos where we show Infield example how to approach women and how to be an alpha man when you approach a woman. After that, you go to how to dance with a woman, and you learn how to dance with her. You learn how to spin, how to dip down, how to lift up. But more important, you learn how to seduce her when you dance with her. It is really important because you will use those dancing techniques once you will approach a girl, once you will pull her, you will isolate, It's very important, and we just can teach you how to dance in seductive way and seduce her while you dance with her. So when you finish with those products, you go to more strong products, from approach to sex. Once you will hire Alpha Man Training, and for example you will meet a coach, you instantly will pay for Alpha Man Training and will write agreement. In that way we will remove that emotion that no one wants to give you for free training, and you will feel better when you will pay. You will feel equal, and we will feel equal. So we will do partnership, and you will pay, you will write agreement, and we will start training instantly. Once you meet a coach in airport, you pay, you write agreement, and we start training instantly. Why? Because once we start to drive with a car back to apartment, we start to install alpha male minds into you, because we naturally start talk to you, share thoughts, share mindset, and we start to train you, because we need to save time and get results. So we start with that, like your clothes. Your clothes covers 95% of your body, so we change them into successful man's style. When we change your clothes, we start to train you how to approach one woman. Once you get to use to approach one woman, we train you how to approach two girls. Once you get used with that, we train you how to approach three girls, group of girls, and with a guy, with a male. And after that, your confidence will increase really well, very high. So we start to train you, for example, how to keep a girl into a relationship, how to manage that long-term relationship. And after that, we see if you are ready. We start to train you from approach to sex systems, same delay systems. You're not training both systems if a client is not ready. And we see, you cannot lie to us, because we see women, we will see you also. So we want to help you, we want to support you, the same we expect from you. Support, help, everything. Being, some clients who wanted to pay half price of Alpha Man Training, and then after some time pay another half. It didn't work out. You just run out your reputation doing like that. You are running out your reputation on your name and last name, because you're doing this bullshit action. It's maybe I will pay half, and then I will say after some time, but I'm not very happy with training or something like that. No, it's not working like that. You need to show huge respect to us, and then we will show you huge respect to you. So you pay before training, and that money is nothing actually, because the clients, they ask why we shoot everything in our training, because we say if we will lose money, what we will have? Nothing. But our videos are the most important thing. It means videos in which you can see our students' results. Those videos are the most important. So we will shoot training, and definitely you will be so happy with that training that you will want to publish your results online. But we will see to publish or not. So some of our clients, they work in government positions, so they don't want to publish any videos. So we will talk about that, it's no problem. What we do with those kind of clients, if we publish something online, we cover their all face in any private detail. But our Alpha Man Training channel is just males, they watch that our channel, and we protect. So it's very, very low, very low. It's no one will see, but we will talk about that. So what else? We support our clients in training. We help them. We understand through what kind of pain we went through their life, and how it was hard for them. So we try, to respect that. We respect that and help them. First of all, read my book, How to Become an Alpha Man. You will learn also alpha man training techniques. You will rise up your confidence. You will know how to seduce women. You will know what is in your head, how to seduce them. And then you go to pick up online training courses. Like, buy all our products. Like, don't be cheap, because that money what you will invest on alpha man training, it will go on your first name and last name, and for all your lifetime. Whole lifetime. It's like it passed 10 years and still we are working with a lot of our clients because they invested, into us. I mean, we started from Eastern Europe, from Lithuania. We talk about those clients when we went to English market. So we still work with them, so it's lifetime investment. You cannot do this investment with buying a new car. You will buy and you will drive for 2 years, maybe just for 1 year. You will get bored with that and you will sell. But you will get, like, if you will buy for $100,000 a car, so you will get back maybe $50,000, just 50% you will get back, because their prices will drop down very fast. Once you invest here money, you will build social skills and you will get a new girlfriend, new woman. So just imagine, how your life will change. So you invest into products, you Skype with us, we talk, and then we see how we can do training, how we can help each other. We see where you live, what opportunities surrounds you. You will shoot us some videos, where you live, what kind of malls you approach, what kind of girls surround you. When we will see those videos, we will, this guy lives here. We can help him, with that kind of systems. We can train. Of course, maybe you want to fly to another country, or even to another state. So we will see options. But first of all, we need to see that you are serious. So in order to get training, you need to invest into products, on your name, on your first name and last name. And then, we will consult you over Skype, we will see, and probably will do training. We refuse, to train men who are not respectful for us, who actually trying to be cheap. They try to trick us or do something like that. We just refuse to train them. Actually, by tricking our male, you trick yourself, because I'm you just in different shape, you also me just in different shape. It's just, but for a lot of males, they don't understand that we males, we should partner with each one. We should train, we should help out each other, we should share girls and so on. So, but how it is, and like this. So yeah, let's do training. We want to help you. We want to see you on our customer list. We wanna brag about your results, about your success, and we want to train you. We want to help you. So also subscribe this channel. Also follow our Facebook page. We are not like that company which collects likes, views. No, we want to work with serious men. So, but like and subscribe our channel. And let's not waste time, because we get older really fast, and in order to save time, you need to do now training. So you will need time. You will need time to read our book, learn from videos, from DVDs, prepare for training. So start today, start to invest. We are waiting your payment instantly. Once you will go to AlphaMan training, like products, and you will click to order to cart, you will pay over PayPal, we instantly receive notifications that you paid, and we see, oh, this man, his name, last name, his email, and our details, oh, he invested on his name and last name. We show respect for you, and you can contact with us anytime, info@alphamantraining.com, and work with us. So we love this activity, AlphaMan training, and yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching, and until next time, see you, bye.